Your time being a little bit picky and choosy about what happens next. Stay with us tomorrow for part 2 of the Great Resignation. We're speaking with people about what employers need to know about getting people on the job and keeping them on the job. Mike Campbell, News Center 7.
And now, your Storm Center 7 forecast. That's weather coverage you can count on.
We can only hope we're headed in the right direction temperature-wise and stay there, right?
Yeah, I'm sick of wearing parkas. Today I felt like it was a little bit too heavy. Maybe a little too heavy for tomorrow?
Heavy, yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, I enjoyed the day. We had a lot of sunshine.
It was nice.
And tomorrow will be warm too. The thing is, we're not going to have a lot of sunshine. We're already having some cloud cover kind of built in across the region. And so what we can expect here over the next several hours is really just some mostly cloudy skies. A mild week though, and we are mostly dry. There are some days where we can't rule out a stray sprinkle. But beyond that, it really is a fairly dry week. And then a wet weekend is ahead as well. But at least it looks like that'll be warm rain, not that cold rain, even snow for that matter. So it does look like it'll be warm, just a little bit on the wet side. Temperatures currently in the 40s still in Dayton. 40 degrees in Dayton, 36 in Troy, and Sydney's at 37. And it looks like it'll actually be a fairly mild night and fairly mild week. Sorry about that. Let's take a look at really the temperature change from this time yesterday. Now we're in the 40s in Dayton, and we happen to be missing some data in Dayton at the moment, but you can see generally across the Miami Valley, we're 5, even close to 10 degrees warmer than this time last night. And so what we can expect here is the temperature to just continue rising as we move into the next several days. Again, the chance for a stray shower, it's possible, but really looking pretty dry. So I would say a pleasant week compared to the last several weeks we've had, which have been snowy or wet or icy. No, look at tomorrow. We're going to have some cloud cover, but at least be a little bit more comfortable with 50 degrees by lunchtime. Yes, mostly cloudy, and then even 55 degrees by 4 o'clock. So temperatures in the 50s. I'm loving it. It feels like spring. It's not technically spring, but if you watched earlier, McCall talked about how it's meteorological spring. I mean, that's cool, but come on, we just want spring to be here, and it's not here yet, although it feels like it. Here's a tease of it anyway. Tuesday and Wednesday, we're looking at highs in the 50s, and then Thursday, yeah, I know, it's in the 40s, but look at Friday and Saturday, 50, 65, so the temperature trend throughout the week, mild, comfortable, definitely feeling like spring. Now let's take a look at the next several hours. One reason it's going to be milder tonight is because we're going to have some of that cloud cover move in. The cloud cover is going to act kind of like a blanket, keeping whatever heat we got from the day today closer toward the earth overnight versus the clear skies where a lot of that would just radiate out into space. Nope, we're going to be a little bit warmer thanks to the cloud cover. You can see looking at 4:30 a.m. Tuesday, actually looking at some mostly cloudy skies, and this will probably continue into much of Tuesday, still staying mostly cloudy by the afternoon. You can see a few sprinkles up toward the north. Really not expecting much of that here. A stray one can't be ruled out. Here's a look at Wednesday morning. You're looking at mostly clear skies. So the cloud cover does break up a little bit before we start to see an increase, but on Wednesday, more clouds and perhaps even some more precipitation up toward the north. So here's a look at the 7-day forecast. Temperatures climb 55 Tuesday, 56 Wednesday. Notice your low temperatures are barely near freezing. Some of them above freezing, 35 for the low tomorrow morning, for example. And then look at this, lows in the 50s by the weekend. And yeah, stray shower perhaps tomorrow. Not even enough to put here in the 7-day forecast. Just don't be surprised if you see a little spritz on your windshield. But we do look at a better chance of rain Saturday, especially Sunday. That's when we're actually expecting some showers and perhaps even a few thunderstorms. But again, mid-60s. Feels like spring even though we're not quite there yet. Molly James.
The experience was just, it left me speechless. There was so much that happened.
And thanks to strangers' kindness, she and her father got to watch in person the Bengals' historic playoff run.
And now the two are paying it forward to a charity important to them.